you YouTube people out there. Thank you very much for joining us today. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you. We are working on one of Alison's projects. Actually, this was one we did as a 12-hour live stream, and sometime, I believe it was April, so possibly for Easter. Maybe it was Easter weekend that we did it. So you may be thinking you're seeing two here. Well, this is Alison's, and that's the one that we did during the stream. So if you wanted to check it out and see how it came together, it was a free pattern, and yeah. It was lots of fun, lots of fun. She used mixes of white, mostly solid, and actually no, all solid white, sorry, my bad. All solid white, and it looks really, really pretty, really pretty. And I love it that it's actually the same charm pack that was used for the two quilts. So I think it's beautiful. So thank you for gifting that fabric to me there, Miss Alison. And now we're working on hers. So mine's put on point here, but that's just because of the way it was going to hang. I have a beautiful, it's called Pinwheel Meander Stitch Out. I have it going for 3 rows. We're working on our second row right now, and we're just going to let Walt resume. And I chose a really light green thread. It's got a beautiful solid green backing here, and as Welt comes around, you'll be able to see how it stitches, or how it you can see the stitches of the back and how it's going to look out. So I thought it looked really, really good. I could have done a darker green, but then I thought it might have taken away a little bit too much from the front. So this is a fun project, and it was free, like I said. It's just a matter of you're putting your half square triangles together in a manner that was pleasing to you. And it turns out to something stunning. Absolutely stunning. Love it. Very pretty. And I believe we did it during the spring. I'm pretty sure we did during the spring, because I remember with the raindrops fabric and stuff like that. Love that raindrop fabric and that little bit of shine. See that little tiny bit of shine on there? It's just gorgeous. Love it. So I'm probably going to do the same stitch out on this one just because I want us to match, and probably even the same thread. So I'd like to know we got a matching quilt. And we did it together. Teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yeah, I like that one. It's really pretty. It's not too dense, but it's not too loose either. I mean, the pinwheels are kind of, you know, they're not too big. So, and then just that little meander that goes in between them just kind of just fills everything. And as the stitch out works its way, it kind of works its way from the bottom, just like playing snakes and ladders. Just kind of goes up and down and around. It'll work its way this way, and then this way, and this way, and then just, it'll fill it all in. Absolutely beautiful. And working with half square triangles there's so many options available for patterns. You can make your own pattern. It's the way it looks and how you can lay it out. It's, you know, you can get from flying geese to blocks to, you know, blocks and blocks. I mean, it's really one of the, I think, the most versatile quilt block out there is just a half square triangle. There's so much you can do with it. You'll come up with 10 patterns, and then someone else will come up with 10 more. So, and we've done that on many scales of different, we did like a log cabin, cut it out with Sophie's quilt actually, log cabin sort of thing, cut it in half, and then put some other grays and colors on the other side. Well, still it's a half and a half, right? It's just a busy half square triangle. Yeah, I love these pinks. I thought about a pink at first, but because of the green backing, I just thought, oh, I don't know if that's going to look too, I don't know. So I thought the nice light green, and then it really kind of accents and pops up everything else that's in the beautiful quilt. So as you can see, we are prepping. Just a few, like 2 weeks really, until we're out. And headed to our new home and destination and quilt shop studio. So very excited, very, very excited by that. We did finish off our scrappy Christmas tree project over the weekend. Here's it hanging here. I put some curve on it so it's nice and circular. It's very big. Should cover quite a bit around a tree. It's gonna look amazing. If you've missed that coming together, it's just a matter of 5 squares, 5 by 5, 5 colors. and then you just kind of position them in a very pleasing manner to you. I chose to have white or red down the center and then mixed my colors along the outsides. I think it turned out really nice. I really like the gray. I thought maybe I should have used red because red was my favorite color throughout this whole project. That I really like the consistency of it, but I'm glad I chose the gray. I think just because for one it matches the sashing, and I think it would have looked weird otherwise. Well, maybe for me it would have, but. Beautiful. Yeah, so it'll be a matter of just packing up there, and we got a couple more quilts to do, and hopefully we'll be able to film every single one of them, so we have some footage, consistent footage, not any necessarily repeated stuff. So, but if we happen to stick something in there that's repeated, I'm sorry. I love that. This is I really like this stitch out. To me, it's very gender neutral. I think it complements anything it goes on, depending on the size you want to put it on too. Could be like a nice big picnic quilt, you know, or a tiny little, really dense placemat. Very pretty. Very pretty. We will be live streaming Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern. Okay, so stay tuned and join us then, and then of course Saturday at 1 p.m. as well, Eastern. We are moving to another province that has a different time zone than what we currently have right now, but we're still going to keep all of our streams at Eastern, okay? Just to make it easier on everybody. It'll take us some getting used to, but we can handle that. All right, well, I think we'll let Walt finish out this whole row. You guys have an amazing day. Big hugs to you. Thank you very much for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that button and for notifications. You don't want to miss out on anything. Just never know. Have a fantastic Wednesday, everybody. You take care. Big hugs from us. We'll see you soon.